guys, today I'm showing you very high quality door handles. We export to Italy and America. You see this one, this is mirror finish and the brush finish combined together door handles. It's very high quality and it's made from 304, 316. And this one is PVD electroplation, and it committed the environmental protect request from Europe. Okay. This door handles is around 120, 130 RMB, and it's manufactured in 304, and it can also be manufactured in 316 per customer's request. This is very high quality door handles. So if you want to source the door handles and hardware from China, just feel free to contact us. We will surely give you the best support and the best price. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you next time.